But honestly, and I'd like don't speak about Romelu, and because Romelu now is a player of another team, and I think it would be disrespectful to speak about him and also about Chelsea. Yeah, I think that for everyone is always very important to win trophies, and for the club, for the players, for the managers. Yeah, but in one hand, I for sure I have to tell you this. In other hand, I think that you have to build the win trophy, because you can win trophies because only to speak and to tell, okay, and I want to win, and then you have to be good to build something ready to win. I think in this moment that Chelsea is more ready than now to win, and they won last season Champions League. I think that we have a lot of space for improvement to become a team that can have the aspiration to win. Then for sure we'll do everything to try to to reach the final in this trophy. But I repeat, and to use this verb or this word win is more simple and to tell than to win, because I repeat, to win you must be prepared. You have to build something important. You have to be solid. You need to have an important squad, and then you are ready to win. Otherwise, you have to hope. You have to hope, and to hope in the job, in the work that we are doing, and you have to hope to do something of outstanding. For me, for sure, it would be great to come back to Stamford Bridge, also because this is the first time after I left Chelsea as manager to come back in Stamford Bridge. What I can say that I spent 2 amazing seasons. I created a lot of friendship into the club. We did a really important and good job, and then also I enjoyed to work there, and also because I had to tell thanks to Chelsea, because they gave me the possibility to to work in England, not work in England, and to have my first experience in England. And but now, for sure, I'm the manager of Tottenham, and I want to give this club 100 and more %.